So for today's video, we are going to be extracting a white pipe from another Subaru and reinstalling it onto mine because mine got pinched while racing. So enjoy. Ugh. Oh wait, is that tightening?
So break it manually first with it.
Okay.
And then once it breaks free, then loosen it with it.
Gotcha. Ugh. This isn't sketchy at all. You got like a bucket we want to...
I have a magnet
Okay.
tray.
Sweet. I'm just saying, like, just in case we want to reuse those.
You probably should.
Well, it'll come off the bolt.
Oh, did the nut just came off?
Yeah.
I mean, we only really need one of these because of your other one that's stripped or whatever.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about that.
Yeah. Hopefully it didn't like damage it on the casting, but we could also tap it.
True.
We're gonna tap through it, so.
True. Dude, I wonder what freaking retard broke
Yeah,
that.
dude, I don't know. Just some dude that just went straight with it with an impact. And
Yeah, I mean, he was probably just like so amped up and like running on adrenaline from racing or whatever. And he was just like, just gonna freaking send it, dude.
And you know what? He was a boss.
I mean, he did finish in like what, third on my last
I think so.
on the last event. So I mean, that's definitely not because everyone else's cars broke.
No.
I mean, to be fair, I actually was doing good and keeping up.
I mean, to be fair, at least your car didn't break.
Yeah, at least it's
That just
still
goes to
running.
show that you did it right. You know?
Yeah, we had a good team, dude.
Exactly. Is this the
Freaking
last
it.
one?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Okay.
Dude, that was way easy.
Yeah, not bad.
White pipe secured. Freaking. In the video, I'm gonna do like the whole like video game thing. Put a check mark on it. Dude, you wanna know how much one of those things were gonna cost brand new?
Astronomically gay amount.
Like $140, $150.
You're dumb.
$15 from Apple. That's what I call stonks. Is there anything else we want to grab from it while we're here that you can think of that we might need? The engine in case the other one decides to actually blow?
Okay, so I think your engine is toast though,
She might be, yeah.
because it's supposed to be at 100 psi minimum.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, like that's like where you want it to be. Yours is at like 80 all around,
No.
if that.
No. There's a good possibility, yeah.
This is, I mean, I don't, the only downside is I don't know how this engine is.
Yeah,
That's
we
the thing
don't
about
know the quality of
Yeah.
it.
We don't know how many miles, if this thing was.
Well, we can look.
You have to have
Do you?
170,000 because I saw it for that mileage.
Well, fair enough, dog. Friggin'.
So she's a high runner.
She's a runner. She's a track star.
I don't think this is a good candidate.
I don't think so either.
I I think it'd be safer just to refill it.
Okay. Okay. Other probably. Nope, she didn't. Bazinga. That is a win. Come on, you dumb whore. When I was out and about, so that is why it drained. Let's see, how do I want to go about this? Can I even get enough leverage to break that? Oh, come on. Oh, this is gonna suck. Nope, I gotta get off this. That sucks. This thing is super comfy. Oh, great googly moogly. Oh, now it's stuck. Okay. Let's get the impact drill. You know what they say? Inshallah. Oh, where's the extender? Oh, jeez. Yeah. What did that pop off? What did that pop out of? Oh. Well, time to get jiggy with it. This is not what I wanted to happen. I'm going to cut my exhaust pipe. Come on. I have to continually wipe my hood so I can actually see what I'm cutting. Because it just keeps fogging up. Oh boy. I mean, I can always just reattach this side temporarily, but that's going to completely expose that other side. I mean, I'm going to have to do that for right now anyway. Yeah. Exhaust work is a pain. I'm going to tell you that right now. Time to bolt this side back up. At least for now. Why aren't you threading? So at this point, I realized that my battery for my camera had died, so I wasn't able to record anymore. And I forgot to prop my phone up to record. But I did end up getting it completely installed in the rest of the way. And now the next step is the middle section of the exhaust has a break in the pipe. Just from where? Just from where the junction is from one pipe to another, it broke right there. So I am going to have to, on another time, grind all of that down and weld it back together. But stay tuned to see that.